cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, owe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, owe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, owe. Abia kwenu, owe. Anambra kwenu, owe. Ebonyi kwenu, owe. Enugu kwenu, owe. Imo ndị mma kwenu, owe. Nigeria kwezuonu. Hello, beautiful friends, families, and loved ones. I welcome you all once again to my segment. Let's learn everything about the Igbo. I am your regular host, Mazi B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and traditions, including general issues that affect our lives and society, the lives of the Igbo, the lives of the non-Igbo. Today we're going to talk about something very important because I promise you each time we meet is going to be something beneficial to the non-Igbo and the Igbo. So I am committed to making sure that I keep every promise that I make. That's my responsibility, but I make sure I live up to it. So today we're going to talk about what happens when a particular party wins. Probably they have gone out for a match, match contest or one thing or the other. I'm telling you about what really happens in the typical Igbo setting. Perhaps they got engaged in a football match, and when they actually emerge winners, there are songs they usually sing. Perhaps they went to fight a war and they emerged winners. There's a particular song they sing. In any competition that takes place in Igbo land, there's a particular song that is sung to welcome those who have gone to participate in that activity or the other. So I'm going to sing a few of the songs for non-natives of the Igbo tribe. Once any of you hears this music, or rather this song, you should know that these particular people, even though you may not see them carrying a trophy in their hands, have gone and competed very well. That means they have become winners in that particular contest they went for. So I usually tell you that each particular song you hear in Igbo is an indicator of a particular thing. It could be something good, it could be something bad. So it doesn't really matter. But just to make sure that you are kept in the loop, so that once you hear a particular song, you know what it's attributable to. So you shouldn't say, why are these people singing? Because you don't understand their language. You hear, but you don't understand. So I wouldn't want you to be taken unawares, so that you have to belong each time you hear any of these songs sung in any part of the Igbo tribe. Okay. All right. When you hear a song like this, or songs like this, anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ ga-abụ nke anyị. Anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụrụ nke anyị. Anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị. Anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị. Anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị. Anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị. Anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi ọṅụ bụ nke anyị. Anyị gara na emerie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị. Anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị. Ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị. Anyị gara ọgụ merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi anyị gara ọgụ wee merie na ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị owe anyị gara ọgụ wee merie n'agha ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị owe anyị gara ọgụ wee merie ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị gara ọgụ wee merie n'agha ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị owe anyị gara ọgụ wee merie n'agha ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị gara merie n'agha ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị gara agha wee merie n'agha ugbu a ọṅụ bụzi nke anyị nwe mmeri anyị emeriela ekele dịrị Chineke onye nyere anyị mmeri meriela anyị emeriela ekele dịrị Chineke onye nyere anyị mmeri anyị emeriela anyị emeriela ekele dịrị Chineke onye nyere anyị mmeri anyị emeriela anyị emeriela ekele dịrị Chineke onye nyere anyị mmeri anyị emeriela anyị emeriela ekele dịrị Chineke onye nyere anyị mmeri anyị emeriela anyị emeriela ekele dịrị Chineke onye nyere anyị mmeri anyị emeriela anyị emeriela ekele dịrị Chineke onye nyere anyị mmeri meriela anyị emeriela ekele dịrị Chineke onye nyere anyị mmeri anyị emeriela anyị emeriela ekele dịrị Chineke onye nyere anyị mmeri. Then the third one, nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi 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 zọgbuo nwoke enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi zọgbuo nwaanyị enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi mba zọgbuo nwoke enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi m zọgbuo nwaanyị enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi m nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi m 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 nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi 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 cha Igbo kwenu ohe cha Igbo kwenu ohe cha Igbo kwezuno Bajan. These songs that I just sung now indicate that we have just won. Glory be to God for giving us the strength to fight and win. That's what one of the songs I've just said. When you hear words like MMERI, it means victory. It means a particular side has won in whatever contest they engage themselves in. So that's just it. Then I can remember years back, over a decade, there was this young man called System. That's the nickname. I wouldn't want to mention his real name because it's late now. Yeah, System of Blessed Memories. So the guy, while he was alive, he played football very well. He was a very good striker. Each time he entered the football pitch, the other party would always be shivering. They would be shivering because they knew he was going to do something on the pitch, which will ultimately result in victory to their own side, my maternal home side. So then each time there was a football match and this guy was featured, he would do wonders. Even before the end of the match, this is one of the songs my maternal home's people would always sing because they knew they were always going to emerge victorious. So this is the song. That is the song is dedicated to this man, this guy who fell. Yeah, he's no longer in our midst now. Ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ victim, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ system na-akụ, system na-akụ, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ system na-akụ, system na-akụ, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ system na-akụ, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ system na-akụ, system na-akụ, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ system. Ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem, sistem, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem na-akụ, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem na-akụ, sistem na-akụ, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem. Ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem. Ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem na-akụ, sistem na-akụ, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem, ọ bụghị bọọlụ na-akụ sistem na-akụ, sistem na-akụ. See, we have a lot of songs. I believe you're doing your own tribes as well. So each song signifies a particular winning, a particular thing that has just happened. So, however, there are songs for mourning. When we lose somebody, there are songs we sing. And once you hear these songs, or any of these songs, you will understand that that particular party singing the song, or that community, or that group singing that song has just lost somebody. Could be a male or a female. Could be a child. It doesn't really matter. Loss is loss. So that's just the way it is. We've got each party, each community has got a particular way of expressing their moment, their present moment, so that you would know what they have just passed through. That's just it. Or you would know what has just happened to them. It could be that they lost somebody, or they've just won a trophy. In fact, if they are victorious in any activity they get engaged in, they sing one of these songs. So, as a non-native of the Igbo, once you hear any of these songs, it behoves you to understand what they actually mean. So you know when songs for people who have lost someone are sung. So you'll be able to go and say, I'm sorry, something happened here. I know you plan out. This is not the best moment for you. Just sympathize with them, whether or not you know them. So that's the way it is. Then if it's a song of victory or songs of victory, you also participate. Nobody says don't come close to us. You are not one of us. It's never done. All right, bye guys. Catch ya.